Welcome back to Strength by Amanda. Today is day 2 of the 7-day Beginner Dumbbell Challenge. Today will be a lower body focused strength workout. We will go through a warm-up, 3 rounds of our circuit, and end with a stretch. For today's equipment, you will only need 1 set of dumbbells. I will be using 10 pounds for the entire exercise. We'll jump right into it with a 3-minute warm-up, starting with glute bridges. So we'll lay down onto our side and onto our back. I will start with a demonstration. You are going to squeeze those glutes as you drive your hips straight up and lower back down. Let's begin. Next, we will be getting up onto our feet for some step back lunges. So you will be standing and you will be stepping back with one leg and then come back up to the middle and then step back with the other leg. Let's begin. Great work. Next, we will get into side step squats. You will step out with one leg into a side squat, come back to the middle, step out the other way, and come back to the middle. Let's begin. Okay, I hope you are feeling warmed up. We will be starting with round 1 of our circuit, starting with reverse lunges. So grab your set of weights. I will demonstrate alternating legs, stepping back with one leg and then the other. Let's begin. Next will be a sumo squat, so we will have a wider stance here, feet about shoulder width apart. You can hold on to 1 or 2 of your dumbbells. You're going to squat down and stand back up. Remember to push your hips back as you lower your body down. Let's begin. The breath pattern is to breathe in as you lower down and breathe out as you rise. We will be getting into a deadlift now, so keep a hold of those dumbbells. Stand with feet about hip width apart, slight bend in the knees, hinge forward at the hips, keeping a straight back. Lower those dumbbells down and come back up to standing. Let's begin. If this type of move tends to hurt your lower back, please keep in mind to squeeze your shoulder blades together as you lower those weights down to engage your upper back more to avoid tension and stress to your low back. Great work. We will be getting down onto the ground for our next exercise, which will be a bridge hold with marches. Let's lay down onto our backs, keeping our feet on the ground. You will put one dumbbell over your hips, but feel free to do this just body weight for right now if you prefer. You are going to drive your hips up into the bridge and hold this position while you march one leg and then the other, holding this position. Let's begin. Great. Next, we will be getting into calf raises, which we will do in standing. So go ahead and take off that dumbbell, stand up, and grab both of your weights for this one. You're going to stand and go up onto the balls of your foot and then control your descent down. Let's begin. Keep up the good work. You've made it through round one. We will now be going on to round two of our circuit, starting with reverse lunges. Step back with one leg and then the other, alternating between legs. Let's begin. Next, we will do the sumo squat. Stand in a wide stance. Hold those dumbbells in the middle. Lower your body down into a squat and stand back up. Let's begin. Now we will move on to the deadlift. So keep a soft bend in those knees. You'll hinge forward at the hips, bringing those weights down, keeping a straight back, squeezing the glutes to bring yourself back up to standing. Let's begin. Now we will move on to the bridge hold with marches. So go ahead and set those weights down so you can get down onto the ground and onto your back. Place one dumbbell on your hips and keep your feet on the ground. Again, you will drive your hips up, pushing through your heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. March up one leg, bring it down, and then march the other leg. Let's begin. Let's lower down and get up onto our feet for calf raises. So once you get up to standing, you will grab both of your dumbbells and we will be pushing up into the balls of our feet and then lowering back down. Let's begin. We're feeling the burn. We are now getting onto our final round of the circuit, round 3, starting again with our reverse lunges, alternating stepping back with one leg and then the other. Let's begin. Let's now get into position for a sumo squat. Take a wide stance and you will squat down and then push your body back up, holding dumbbells in front of you. Let's begin. Let's get into position now for a deadlift. Soft bend in the knees, hinging forward, letting those weights drop down, keeping a straight back, and squeezing the glutes to pull yourself back up to standing. Let's begin. Great work. Let's get down onto the ground for our bridge hold and marches. Set down your weights, get down onto your back. Place one dumbbell over your hips. Drive your hips up through your heels, holding this position. March up with one leg and then the other. Let's begin. Great work. Next, we will be taking that weight off of our hips and get up to standing for calf raises. So grab both of your dumbbells and we will push our body up onto the balls of our feet and then lower back down. Let's begin. Amazing job, you made it through all 3 circuits of our exercise today. We will now move down onto the ground for a cool down stretch. Bring one ankle over across the opposite knee and push into that leg. Let's begin. Let's switch legs here. Bring the other leg over across the other knee. Let's begin. Let's move up onto our knees for a hip flexor stretch. Keeping one leg out in front, the other one behind you. You're going to lean into that front leg for the hip stretch. Let's begin. Again, just switching legs here. So bring that front leg back and bring the back leg forward and lean into that front leg. Let's begin. Next, we will get down for a hamstring stretch. We'll do one leg and then the other. This is our last stretch. Stick one leg out into a diagonal and bend the other leg in. Lean into that front leg. Let's begin. Switch legs here. Extend the other leg and bring the opposite leg in. Lean into that front leg. Let's begin. Go ahead and sit up out of this stretch. You've completed day 2 of our 7-day challenge. I really hope you enjoyed this workout. Please leave a strong arms emoji in the comments below if you did, and I look forward to you joining me for day 3.